When I visit Korea, these are the things that I buy from Korea. Hello gorgeous! It's Gina here. Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I don't know why, every time I talk to you guys, it just feels so different and new every time. I recently went to Korea and I am so ready to unbox everything from this trip. As you see, like this sweater I got from Seoul. It says Seoul. Isn't this adorable? For clothing haul, I made a separate video. So make sure to check out that video right over here. I have a lot of random stuff that I've gotten, and as Korean, I'm gonna tell you what each item is, and I'm gonna tell you why I got these items. First off, these items are from Daiso. I love Daiso in Korea because not only they're affordable, there's a lot of household items that I can get for extremely cheap. And although we do have Daiso in the States, I think Daiso in Korea has a lot more options. Options meaning like skincare products and also household products that I don't see in the States. So I'm gonna go over with them. By the way, I bought these 100%. Everything is, I bought it with my own money. First things first, these are the skincare related that I got at Daiso. First of all, these lashes. I'm currently wearing a pair. It was 1,001. This is like 60 cents. In this economy, 60 cents is practically free. It's kind of funny. They call it this voluminous lashes. It's just wispies. They call it festival. And I've got these clay modeling packs. These are 2001, meaning like $1.30. So cheap. These are again like on Amazon. I know that we have it for like 10 bucks. So I feel like at Daiso, I was like, I really want to try it. I don't know about the quality, but again, for $1, it's like given. They also have these Sika and mask pack, wash off mask pack. Obviously, pack of 3. I haven't used them, but it looks like, you know, these were good quality, and VT Cosmetics is one of the brands that I admire. I love that brand, so I was like, oh, you know what? Let me go grab it. And while I was there, I saw a lot of other Korean people were grabbing these little things. And this is by 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝑲𝑺. I think these are 2 different peeling masks. And there was like a blue one, and everybody was looking for that one, but they were sold out. I believe the blue one was the most sold out one. But you know, these will do. I didn't get to try the blue one, but I'm just really excited to try these. I think these are a pack of 4. Yes, that's 4 each. And these were 3,001, meaning I think these are about $2.40. Like y'all, amazing. Anyway, next facials stuff. This is also by VT Cosmetics. Riedel Shot Lifting Peptide Wrapping Steam Mask. The wrapping steam mask has been the trend in Korea. Then I got this PDRN Hydro Mask. This is like a collagen face mask by VT Cosmetics. This hydrogel mask is everything. I used this in the States before, and I saw it in Korea as well, so I had to grab another one. These will literally give you the glow, the glass skin glow the next day. So good. I want everyone to try this. And then the next, these are sun patch. These are UV, I don't even know what to call it. You basically like put it on your face. These are for like outdoor activities. If you're gonna be under the sun for a long time. This one is for under the eye. And this one is like a mask, like where you wear it like on your bottom half. I'm excited to try this summer. I don't know where I'll be wearing it to public especially, but hey, it'll be fun. So these are part of my purchases from Daiso as well. I purchased these Korean letters. I thought it was really cute, and you can only get it in Korea, so why not? And they were like pretty cheap, $2 compared to, I don't know, America, very expensive. stainless straws, and these gloves. You guys, judge me all you want, but this is gloves that is dipped in like some type of wax, and look at this. It's almost like gardening gloves. You can use this glove for like, honestly, anything. I think it's very versatile. I honestly don't know how and when I'm gonna use these, but I thought that was like, oh, like, it is kind of funny. Don't you think? Like, don't you think this is like random, but why not? I got these wooden spoons and these silver plated, these are supposed to be like gold spoon and chopstick set. Very inexpensive, and they look pretty bougie, and they're from Korea, so why not? And I thought that was very special. I mean, also like it's cheaper in Korea, so it made sense. In Japan, they prefer wooden chopsticks. In China, they prefer plastic and longer chopsticks. And Koreans prefer metal chopsticks. And later on, I found out Korea's preference for metal chopsticks can be traced back to Baekje Kingdom, where silver spoons were employed to detect poison among the elite. As a cost-effective alternative, stainless steel utensils became popular due to their silver-like appearance. The durability of metal is well suited for the saucy and broth-heavy nature of Korean cuisine. Is this weird or not so weird? You can check out the more fun facts about Korea, the weird, not so weird of Korea, now available on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box. I'm quite embarrassed because I am that girl who goes to Daiso and buy those cheap dishes. But luckily, they actually made it in one piece. Well, like nothing broke, knock on wood. First off, I got this lovely plate. It says Life is Tasty. And I thought I am definitely gonna use this plate as to like plate strawberries or like a cake or a small dish. Like, it's so cute. Although I got it from Korea, it's made in China. But like, again, you can't find this in the States, especially at Daiso. And then the next is a cup for 2001. It literally says, the moment I love. How I visualize this is a cup of coffee. I hold this and I like take a picture. It's so cute. But then now I'm holding it, I do see like little paint. It was $1 anyway. The next one is this ramen pot. It's very shallow pot. It's aluminum. I adore this type of dish because you can only find it in Korea, and this is like a special pot that Koreans like to use when we cook ramen or when we drink makgeolli, in a smaller thing obviously, but this one I thought it'd be really fun to cook ramen in these, and I could technically get the same thing online like on Amazon, but for like 20 bucks. At Daiso, it was only like $3. So girl math, it makes sense to get it in Korea. The next thing, well, these are like the plates. The shallow plates, I thought they were cute. And the next thing is, I already used this. This is 뚝배기. This is a hot stone pot. You use it to cook like steamed eggs or 된장찌개. This is like a hot stone pot, so you can like cook this whole thing. Self-explanatory. It is adorable. It is authentic. If I were to get it in the States, it would be a lot more. This was like $4, so in my head I was like, it's worth it. I am so excited for this. This is a shaker. This is a seasoning shaker. Look at this. It's a seasoning shaker that has red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. But I thought it was so perfect for Koreans because we love red pepper flakes. You see this? And they're all separated. They're all separated like this, and I can just go. Isn't that cute? So this box here is Gentle Monster. Gentle Monster is a South Korean sunglass brand. These like are perfect for the summertime. Like, y'all look, I look chic. I think they were about 20% cheaper. And on top of that, you can get the tax refunds. So, and I got a pair for myself and I got a pair for my mom, which makes a great gift. So that's what I got. This is 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝑧. 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝑧 is a perfume company. I purchased the hand lotion. You can only get 𝑽𝑰𝑵𝑧 in Korea. I got this Japanese eye remover. I think I tried this one back in Japan. I think I made a video about this. It is absolutely amazing. This is my favorite eye makeup remover. It is so strong and durable, and I saw it at Olive Young in Korea and I was like, you know what, why not? Because I was like halfway done and the best. And then the next thing I got is this blackhead picker. As you see, it's very looking sharp. It's a tool and look how sharp it looks. I was like, you know what? I love picking. So these will do. And I feel like it's hard to find tools like this in the States. Just saying. Next thing I have is 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑗 Blemish Care Serum. And one thing about Korea is you can't really buy one thing. My original goal was I wanted to try this just one thing, a singular purchase, but it was not only buy two, and it comes with samples. Came with this. I've heard so many good things about this product before, and they even advertise 10 years #1 amazing product. So I'm very excited to try. The next product I got is by 𝑺𝑠. It is under gel patch, they call it. I don't really use a lot of under eye patches, but I really want to try because now that I'm in my 30s, I need to start taking care of my skincare and also my under the eye. So I'm really excited to try. I haven't opened it yet. Very excited to try. Next thing, lippies. One thing about me is I love lip products, and these are all from Daiso. These are all juicy lip tints, different colors. They were doing promotions. I got Clio face foundation. It's a cushion foundation. People are sleeping on this brand. Koreans love this cushion foundation company. This is the one that I just recently got. Before this, I got this one, which is basically the same thing but different design now, different formula. I do have combination skin, so I decided to try something more matte, and they recommended this one for me. So far I have no complaints. And then even before this, I used the Killer Cover, which is all the same thing. Like they just rebranded, a new packaging. I believe this is like, I don't want to talk badly of other brands, but this one is like what Korean people use. So Clio, I highly recommend. This is 달고나 lip balm. I thought these were so perfect as souvenirs. Like, look at this. This is like Squid Game themed. Aren't they adorable? Like, I think these are perfect gift ideas. Souvenirs. And when you open it, you have to wait. It's a freaking 달고나 shaped. And then they're all different tints. Like, let's see. That one was umbrella. This one is a star. And I think it's just when you open it, oh, it's so tiny. When you just open it, it's just these. But great idea, great branding, like amazing. Like what the heck, this is so cute. And then last but not least, we have 막걸리. This is DIY, do-it-yourself, make your own 막걸리. Makgeolli is a Korean rice wine. There is clear instructions. I basically pour water. I leave it room temperature for a couple of days, like one day, and it does its own thing and it becomes 막걸리. So I'm really excited to try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. 안녕!